How many times have you received a Revit model from a consultant and thought, is this thing even clean?
Every week, and checking it manually. Warnings, views, project info, naming, that takes forever.
What if one click could tell you everything? This is ReadMe. Free add-in, installs in 10 seconds. Just run the installer, pick your Revit version, done.
It sits on the MU.TECH ribbon tab. Works with 2023 all the way through 2026.
Here's what makes it different. Browse to any .rvt file and it opens it completely in the background.
No dialogues, no disruption. My active project is still right here, untouched. It just reads the file and closes it.
You can also hit Active Project to scan whatever you already have open.
And here's the result. Overall health score, 0 to 100. 4 categories: coordination, documentation, performance, standards.
33 checks. Click any one and you get the description, guidance on how to fix it, and every affected element listed.
So you're not just told something is wrong, you know exactly what and where.
And when you need to share it with the team,
Export HTML. One file opens in any browser. Send it to the project manager, attach it to an email, everything is in there.
ReadMe is completely free. No registration, no trial, no catch.
Download it from MU.TECH website. Link is in the description.
MU.TECH. Supercharge your AEC workflow.